Three ways to post multiple pictures on Instagram. So let's see that how. For that, go to your Instagram. Here you can post through story. So one way is that you can post multiple pictures through your story. So let us select multiple images like this and tap on next and go for the layout. And now the layout has been updated. You can go through the layout, or otherwise you can make them as separate photos as well. So you can type like this, you can go for the layout like this, or even you can go through like this. So I'm selecting this, click on done. This is a way that you can post multiple pictures on Instagram. And the other way is that you can go to the feed here. So if you tap on post, then you can click on multiple photos like this. And if you tap on next and tap on next, here you can add caption, tag people, you can add location, you can add music, and you can change your audience. And you can also share to the Facebook or your different accounts that you had. This is the second way. Or otherwise, you can go to the profile. Here you can find plus option. You can here directly create a post, a story, or the story highlight. Or otherwise, you can go to your gallery and you can edit the photos there and you can post it in Instagram. This is how you can post multiple pictures on Instagram. Thank you.